We divide 497 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. So we put down this 9 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting it is 1. So again we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other numbers to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 497 divided by 2 is 248 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.